Ever wondered how you can improve your health while enjoying a delicious meal? Do avocados feature in your diet? Welcome to our exploration of the humble avocado. A fruit that's much more than just the star of your favorite guacamole recipe. Avocados pack a punch when it comes to health benefits, and we're here to delve into the top 10 reasons why this creamy green superfood should be a staple in your daily meal plan. Stay tuned as we dive into the 10 health benefits of this incredible fruit. Firstly, avocados are a nutrient powerhouse. They are loaded with essential vitamins like vitamin K, vitamin C, and the B family of vitamins, including B5 and B6. These vitamins are critical for energy production and brain function, but that's not all. Avocados also boast a high content of folate, vital for cell repair, and potassium, which supports heart health. And let's not forget vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant. Each nutrient plays a unique role in maintaining our overall health. That's a whole lot of nutrients packed into one tasty fruit. Avocados are not just nutrient-rich, they're also great for your heart. Packed with monounsaturated fats, these green gems can help reduce bad cholesterol levels, known as LDL. Lower LDL levels mean a decreased risk of heart disease and stroke. That's because these healthy fats help to balance your cholesterol, promoting heart health from the inside out. It's like having your own little cardiac caretaker right in your kitchen. So if you care about your heart, start including avocados in your diet. Improving your digestive health is as easy as eating an avocado. You see, avocados are loaded with fiber. This nutrient is crucial for a well-functioning digestive system as it adds bulk to your diet, helping food move smoothly through your gut. Fiber also aids in preventing constipation, a common digestive problem. It acts like a broom, sweeping through your digestive tract and keeping things moving along. So, the next time you're feeling a little backed up, reach for an avocado. Did you know avocados could help you see better? Yes, it's true. Avocados are rich in antioxidants named lutein and zeaxanthin, both of which play a significant role when it comes to your eye health. These antioxidants are known to reduce the risk of macular degeneration and cataracts, common age-related eye conditions. So remember, every time you enjoy that creamy avocado, you're not just satisfying your taste buds, you're also giving your eyes a health boost. Keep your eyes healthy and vision sharp with avocados. Trying to lose weight? Avocados can help. These green powerhouses are packed with fiber, a nutrient that aids digestion and keeps you feeling full. This sense of satiety can prevent overeating and needless snacking, assisting in weight management. Furthermore, avocados have a low glycemic index, meaning they won't spike your blood sugar levels. This steady energy release can fend off hunger pangs and cravings. So, if you're looking for a delicious and natural way to manage your weight, don't forget to include avocados in your diet. Avocados are not just good for your heart and eyes, they're also great for your bones. This creamy fruit is brimming with vitamin K, a nutrient that plays a pivotal role in bone health. Vitamin K supports bone growth, maintains bone density, and reduces the risk of fractures. It's like an unsung hero, working behind the scenes to keep your skeletal system in top shape. In every bite of avocado, you're not only enjoying a tasty treat, but also helping to fortify your bones. Keep your bones strong and healthy with avocados. Feeling down? An avocado might just lift your spirits. This creamy green fruit is packed with folate and vitamin B6, two essential nutrients known for their mood-boosting properties. Folate aids in the production of serotonin, a hormone that helps regulate mood and sleep, while vitamin B6 is crucial in producing norepinephrine, a neurotransmitter that fights stress. So not only are avocados delicious, but they also contain the perfect blend of nutrients to help uplift your mood. Next time you're feeling a bit low, remember, an avocado a day keeps the blues away. Avocados aren't just tasty, they're also great for reducing inflammation. You see, these green gems are packed with monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. These two elements work in tandem to combat inflammation throughout the body. Monounsaturated fats, often praised for their heart-healthy benefits, also play a crucial role in curbing inflammation. Meanwhile, the antioxidants found in avocados like carotenoids and vitamin E help to neutralize free radicals, thus further reducing inflammation. So, if you're looking to reduce inflammation, look no further than the humble avocado. So there you have it, 10 compelling reasons to include avocados in your diet. From being nutrient-packed powerhouses to supporting heart and digestive health, avocados truly shine. They help keep your eyes healthy, manage weight, and even contribute to stronger bones. Feeling a little down? Avocados could be your natural mood booster. And let's not forget their anti-inflammatory properties. Remember, when it comes to your health, every bit counts. So, why not make avocados a part of your regular diet today?